In this video, we will see how to create a simple Python file and execute. So there are multiple ways by which we can execute a Python script. Let me start from the console. I'm opening my command prompt. Okay, I'm checking whether I have Python installed on my machine. So the command is Python space double hyphen version. This gives me like Python 3.1.3.12.3. To run Python code on the console, type Python, then you are on the Python console mode. You can write any Python command and you can execute. For example, just to print a simple sentence, and this is from console. You can see the output is printed here. This is the one option. Okay. But mostly we won't do this way. We create a file. We create a Python code in a file, and then we execute it through the Python exe. Let me show you how to do that. So I just exit from this Python console window. Now I'm creating a new, opening a notepad and creating a new Python file. I can create a new one. So I'm using same print statement. Text file. This is a syntax to print any output in the console. So print, then the sentence or whatever the value that you want to print. And if you want to add multiple values, you can add something like this. Okay, I am saving this file somewhere in my local. I am saying under CSEM test, or I can say demo 1.py. Okay, now I am going back to the console. I am getting to my SEM folder. Okay, now I need to execute my demo1.py with the help of the Python interpreter. So I'm writing Python, the syntax is Python, and then the file name demo1.py. So if I execute, you can see the both value. This is from text file. This is from text file. The second sentence is this is from text file and second value. You can see this.